Hi, my name is Rebecca Anderson, and I am the Internal Communications Specialist at Jefferson Lab, a U.S. Department of Energy national laboratory. Last spring, Paul and Camille, leaders in the Accelerator Division, came to the communications team with a unique problem. There was a distinct lack of volunteers for the program deputy position at the lab, also known as the PD. So they asked us to help spread the word to increase volunteers for this important position. The role of a PD is kind of like a facilitator. It's the glue that holds the lab together. It keeps everything on schedule. So we realized when we were brainstorming for this that we had two issues here. One was we needed to explain to the lab what a PD was, and the other was we wanted people to volunteer for this position. So we developed a top-down approach. We enlisted Stuart, our lab director, to send out an email with a personal call for volunteers for this role. And we also had a list of frequently asked questions developed by Paul to share with anyone who wanted more information. The ask was also in meetings shared by Andre, who's a leader in the Accelerator Division, asking for volunteers for PD, to serve as PD. We had it on the screens across the lab campus. We had it in our weekly newsletter. There was lots of different types of branding and messaging associated with this campaign, but it was missing something. After another brainstorming session, we decided to get a little punny, and we leaned on the popular Netflix series Better Call Saul, except we replaced Saul with Paul. Paul, who is usually pretty serious, indulged us in this branding campaign, and after a quick photo shoot, some graphic design work, we were ready to go. Better Call Paul was born. The campaign worked twofold. People at the lab knew what a PD was, and of course the most important part, there was an increase in volunteers for this position. So actually since this campaign happened a year ago, Paul reached out recently and he is ready for season 2. He wants to bring the campaign back. And so if you want to be a program deputy at Jefferson Lab, you better call Paul.